Wealthfront's automated investing account stands out immediately for anyone who wants a smarter, hands-off approach to building long-term wealth. The first thing to know is that this is built for people who are tired of constant investment busy work, but still want expert-level diversification and ongoing management. The account leans on automation for almost everything. It creates a portfolio of low-cost index funds based on risk preferences and tax situation, and then manages it relentlessly in the background. With exposure to up to 17 different global asset classes, the portfolio goes far beyond just stocks and bonds, adding more depth and resilience than the conventional single market approach. One of the strongest perks here is the degree of customization that doesn't require endless manual tinkering. Users have the option to select from hundreds of funds in areas like clean energy and tech, or even dip a toe in crypto through specific trusts, with exposure capped at 10% to help keep things balanced. There's also a thoughtful, socially responsible portfolio for anyone who wants their investments to align with their values. Once a portfolio is chosen, Wealthfront systems automatically rebalance it and diversify any new deposits. So keeping aligned with personal goals takes almost no effort. Tax efficiency is where this account really flexes its power. Tax loss harvesting is integrated, which means the software is constantly looking for little opportunities to offset gains and save money on taxes by swapping investments when their value is down. For most clients, these tax savings are actually worth more than 6 times the 0.25% annual advisory fee Wealthfront charges. For context, the weighted average annual expense ratios of the funds selected are usually between 0.05 to 0.29%, putting the overall cost to investors well below that of most traditional advisors and even many self-service platforms, especially when factoring in tax loss harvesting. What sets Wealthfront apart is how beginner-friendly it is. It's as simple as answering a few questions about goals and risk, and the software builds a tailored investment plan. There's no minimum contribution required, so new investors can try it out without a big commitment. And for those who've already got money elsewhere, Wealthfront makes transfers easy and, importantly, as tax efficient as possible. The app is slick and modern with easy access to support from certified professionals if questions do pop up, so it never feels like users are left alone with a faceless robo-advisor. But it's not perfect. The hands-off approach, while great for most, means DIY investors looking to handpick every single stock or ETF might find it a bit constrained. Although there are stock investing features, the central strength is portfolio automation. So anyone looking for a day trading playground might be better off elsewhere. And as with any investment platform, returns aren't guaranteed. The market can and does drop, and diversification, while powerful, won't remove all risks. The cap on crypto exposure, while sensible, might be limiting for some hoping to ride the latest trends aggressively. In summary, Wealthfront's automated investing account strikes an excellent balance for anyone wanting to grow wealth and minimize taxes without devoting their lives to researching funds and monitoring market swings. It's competitively priced, deeply customizable, and does the hard work behind the scenes, making it ideal for most people looking for automated, reliable wealth building. However, as always with investing, users need to remember the risks, especially market downturns, and rest assured, no amount of smart automation can eliminate investment risk completely. For anyone wishing to combine ease, tax efficiency, and modern tech, Wealthfront is a compelling choice, but those who want total control or plan to chase individual stocks might feel a bit boxed in.